Yeah, I'm from Sin, and I'm doing these shoes designed for beginners. I always love fashion, so I do clothes. So why not doing shoes? Well, I'm a fashion designer. I have my own brand, and I work for another brand. Now I know how to draw like a proper shoe, and that I can place whatever I want, and I can do whatever I want just with the draw. So it's amazing. First day we draw a lot. We were like moving our hands to start drawing, and we know a lot of materials too. We keep in touch with different types of shoes. That was the first one. And we have homework, so it's great. Homework, we have to express ourselves by like a mood board. So take a concept, we need to take images, think about concepts, colors, to start our project. My advice, take the course because you will love it, for real.